In today's video, I'm going to teach you Cloudflare email setup beginner tutorial. By the end, you'll have a professional email address on your own domain that automatically forwards to the inbox you already use. We'll move through the essentials clearly and simply so you can follow along with confidence. Start by opening your Cloudflare account in your web browser. When you arrive at the Cloudflare dashboard, you'll see the list of websites you manage. Click the specific domain where you want to create your custom email address. Selecting the correct domain matters because the address you set up will belong to that domain, and all messages for it will be routed based on this choice. Once the domain page loads, look to the menu on the left side of the screen and click Email. This section brings together all the email features for your selected site, so you can configure routing in one place without managing a separate mail server interface. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're on the intended domain's dashboard. Next, click Email Routing. Email routing is Cloudflare's simple forwarding tool. It lets you create an address on your domain and direct incoming messages to another mailbox you already check. It's great for branding and privacy because you can share a professional address on your domain while keeping your primary inbox private. Now it's time to enter two things. First, type the custom address you want to use on your domain, the part that appears before the @ sign. Choose something short, clear, and easy to remember. Second, type the destination address, which is the real inbox that will receive the forwarded messages. Carefully double-check both entries for typos. A small mistake can cause messages to bounce or go to the wrong place. Remember, this is forwarding, not a new mailbox, so there's no separate password or login for the custom address. When everything looks correct, click Create and Continue. Cloudflare will save your routing rule and display on-screen confirmation. From here, Cloudflare handles the behind-the-scenes mail flow, so messages sent to your new custom address arrive in the destination inbox you specified. You can return to this same email routing area anytime to adjust the alias, change the destination, or add more aliases for different purposes as your needs grow. Using clear aliases can also help with filtering and organization in your destination inbox. That's it. You opened your Cloudflare account, selected the right domain, went to email, chose email routing, entered your custom and destination addresses, and clicked Create and Continue. Your domain now has a clean, reliable forwarding address ready to use.